I'm here for my appointment with the LA Center for ENT.
So the only way that you'll find where to go is if you find Dr. T's name right now.
And which would be suite?
605.
That's in 605. Hi there, could you show me where that is?
Sure, follow me. So it's down the hallway on the left side. I'm a PA. My name is Chisu. So this is a patient waiting room, and you're gonna check in with our receptionist, and you're gonna be called. And here, we're gonna take a brief history of you. Once we complete intakes, we're gonna take you to patient room for examination. And I'm gonna have you sit in the middle. Once you're in the exam room, a provider will come in to examine you.
Hello, hi, I'm
Hi.
Priscilla. I'm one of the PAs here.
Lovely, nice to meet you both. Do you provide care for patients that speak other languages?
Yes, we do. I speak Korean.
And I speak Armenian.